Isiqhema sabaphenyisisto saphambili nguNgqobo nejaji esele lithethe umhlalaphasi uThokozile Masipa kunye noadvocate Mahlaphe Silo baphenya isihlakalo sokudlelezelwa kweplasa kamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iPhala ngo-2020 lapho kujiwa khona imali emadola weAmerica. I-African Transformation Movement ATM ngokunyeziweko ngiyo eyaphakamisa bona kususwe umengameli. Umengameli angasuswa nangabe kulandele indinyana yomthetho isection 89 yomthethosisekelo ethi umengameli angasuswa nangabe wephule okubabazekako umthethosisekelo wenarha nofana angakhanga aziphathe kuhle nofana abhalelwe ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe njengomengameli.
The panel said that the additional time requested was realistic, taking into account the importance of the inquiry, its complexity, as well as the novelty of the nature of work involved.
USpika wePalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula uthi uqalile umthetho okhona njenganje wokuphatha kwendinyana yomthetho isection 89 kanti ayinalapha ivumela khona bona ngezelelwe isikhathi khona.
In this rule, the Speaker may give a ruling or frame a rule in respect of any eventuality for which the rules or orders of the House do not currently provide, having due regard to the procedures, precedents, practices and conventions developed by the House, and on the basis of constitutional values and principles underpinning an open, accountable and democratic society.
Nqakula uvumelana nekomiti ephenya bona ungezelelwa kwesikhathi kuzokwenza bona isitshaba sithole lonke ilwazi bona kwenzekani. Uthi umsebenzi wekomiti le uqhakatheke kakhulu emalungeni wePalamende kumengameli kunye nemphakathini.